Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change recovery email in Gmail. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change your account recovery email on your Gmail account, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Gmail application on your phone. Click on the menu at the top right or the profile picture at the top right. Click on manage your account. Now, once you click on manage your account, locate and click on security and sign in. You want to scroll down security and sign in until you get to recovery email and then click on it. Once you click on the recovery email, you'll be prompted to verify your account by typing your phone PIN and then type in your Gmail password. Now, to change your recovery email, click on the edit pencil, then delete the existing email and then click on save. Once you hit the save button, this is going to help you to change your recovery email on your Gmail account and then you are good. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.